Welcome back. Just keep an eye out on a couple of stocks. Sula from the broader markets has now moved higher. It's up 8% and with volumes piling up on that one as well. So just keep an eye out on that one. The third day of the company being on the bourses this time around. But we're talking about a bunch of stocks which would be in focus as the Defence Acquisition Council has cleared acquisition proposals worth over 84,000 crore rupees, with procurement worth 82,000 crores to be completed through indigenous sources. Acquisitions include light tanks, naval anti-ship missiles, as well as offshore patrol vehicles as well. How does that impact a lot of these players? We do have with us Sanjeev Singhal, who is the Director of Finance at Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders, joining in now. Thanks a lot, Mr. Singhal, for joining in. Mazagon Dock, of course, has been, the cynosure of everyone's eyes this year in the stock market, up over 150%, 186% in the last 12 months. Just wanted to understand, the theme was defense indigenization. With this latest announcement coming in, how does that open things up for you? I mean, directly of the 82,000 crore opportunity, how much comes your way? I mean, what can we expect and in what timeline?
Yeah, very good morning to you. As far as the Defence Acquisition Council allocation is concerned, around 84,000 crores, which has been very recent. Shipbuilding or towards the naval vessels, the allocation is approximately 3,000 crores, not too high allocation, which comprises of 2 number of multi-purpose vessels of approximately 1,000 crores and 6 number next generation OPVs, approximately 2,000 crores. So, but at the same time, there are a couple of high value projects which are progressing. One of them is, of course, P75I, the 6 submarines with the air-independent propulsion system and lithium-ion batteries, for which the timelines have now been further extended, and we are expecting that the proposals are to be submitted by August 23. Apart from this, in the horizon, we have 6 number of...
Mr. Singhal, hi. Sorry. So just to take it one by one, we have a bit of an issue with the line as well, but we have you, Mr. Singhal, on the phone line. So you will participate in bids over 3,000 crores as part of this latest 80 or 1,000 crores plus. So you will participate in put in bids for 3,000 crores worth of orders, right?
Yes.
Okay,
yes.
that's one.
Absolutely.
Second, you're saying for that P75I, right?
P75 India.
India, okay. That's six submarines, and the order value was 40,000 crores.
43,000 crores.
43,000 crores. You're saying this was delayed. Last time we spoke with you about a month ago. You're saying it's further delayed. And now the bid submission is end of August 2023.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. What does this mean in terms of, when we spoke last, you said maybe, this may happen beginning of the next FY, around April or so. Are there other issues with this? That's why it's been delayed? You need more participation?
Majority of the issues are on the verge of resolution, and quite a few of the issues have already been resolved. So we were looking for foreign collaborators' participations in a healthy manner, which I believe is now the foreign collaborators are on board. Whatever couple of issues remain, they will be ironed out, and this date would be around August 23, by which we submit the bids.
Okay, so you'll submit the bids by August of 2023. Does this change your guidance for the full year in any way? I mean, you had earlier said that you're doing you will do a 25 to 30% growth on the top line in FY23. Would you stick to that? And what is the order visibility like for FY24 now?
Yeah, as far as the revenue guidance for FY23 is concerned, we don't see any impact with respect to P75I on FY23 or FY24 as well, because even after the submission of the bids, there would be a certain gap with respect to finalization of orders. So for next 2 to 3 years, we don't see any impact on the order execution because of the P75I or any other order. We continue to maintain our guidance of 25 to 30% for FY23.
And do you think there are any incremental announcements expected from the government of India, or this is the last of at least the near term, this 3,000 crore plus which will be allocated towards shipbuilding?
This situation remains dynamic. The geopolitical situation is known to everybody. So I don't think as far as defense is concerned, there can be any tightening or things are being discussed at various forums at various levels. We expect positive developments as far as the orders are concerned. Let us see as the things take shape.
Mr. Singhal, for 24, what you had said is that at this point you don't want to change. I mean, you'd raise the 23 guidance to 25%. 24, you said, well, around 20%. That stays, right? As you see it now.
Yeah, that stays.
With upside risk or downside? With upside risk or downside risk?
No, we are fairly confident because it is based on the existing order book. So we are fairly confident that we'll be able to maintain these guidances.
Okay, you'll be able to maintain the guidance. Got that. Mr. Singhal, thanks a lot for joining in, and it was a pleasure speaking with you. That's Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders. They are sticking to their 25 to 30% growth guidance on the top line by FY23. And they spoke a lot about the approvals that have come in from the Defence Acquisition Council and what this means for their business. With that, it's a wrap on Bazaar. We leave the markets in fine fettle, actually. The Sensex is up almost 500 points. The Nifty is up 127 points. So the start to the last week of 2022 has begun with a bang. Thanks for watching Bazaar. Lots of trading ideas coming up.